So ito mga idol, para sa mga taga Zamboanga, ito na ang highlights recap na naging laban ng Batangas versus Zamboanga dito sa MPBL. Grabe mga lods, parang playoffs ang intensity ng game. Si Ichi Altamirano ang napiling best player of the game. Solid ang pinakita niya. Panalo pa rin ang Zamboanga 87-82 kahit munti ka na silang makambak sa dulo. Kaya ngayon nananatili pa ring number 1 spot sa South Division ng Zamboanga. Kaya tara mga idol, samahan nyo akong balikan ang mga eksena sa mainit na laban na to. Let's go!
First possession for Zamboanga. Abdul Sawat. Ablaza, shot fake, lumapit. Send Ablaza for 2. MJ De La Virgen for 3. Yes! Loses the Ablaza pick. Down low they go. Important. Pulls up. The jumper won't go. Rebound Ablaza. Nice tap there.
Ability. Siyempre, nandyan yung confidence for Roy kahit maraming...
Abdul. Binigay kay Reg Gabat. Confidence.
Teams that they were expected to win against, but this 7th game winning run that they are on step into this
there were signs late in the season for QC. Abdul Sawat.
I agree.
What a pass right there. Turco with a
Open man.
A great interception. Reg Gabat is ahead. Reg Gabat. Levy drives. Ooh. Levy fires a 3. Yes, sir. Ichi Altamirano, no good. Turco with possession. Sumang attacking the defense of De La Virgen. Super Sumang on the move. Sawat, touch pass. Oh! Para dito kay Abdul Sawat. Runners again. They've got De La Virgen. Importante. That's John Valoria.
Gigil niya dito sa third quarter eh.
Inside, John Valoria with
the 50s. It has just been very helpful for some. Wow, my goodness!
That's 9 points in the quarter alone para kay Reg Gabat. De La Virgen with Sumang. Ichi. Ichi drives. Bigay kay Turco. Buell. They go down low to Med Salim. Oh, alam mo, yan ang ano eh. That's where champions are made of.
You're
usually.
Right. It's see if you are definitely
Ichi Altamirano. Salim, the extra pass. Chino for 3. God! Levy. Cruz, jumper. Yes. Pinapakiramdaman ng kanyang tira. Renzano will drive. The cut from Abdul.
just make it easier for us to do our jobs here.
Oh, Altamirano with a steal. And Suma with 5 seconds to work with. The dance. The pass. Sena, the 3.
It is far from that.
Ablaza, strong. Leading through traffic. Levy. Ambo. Put back.
Breaker.
Dalawa na yun. Nalibre. Hernandez. 2-point. Hernandez. This is the second. Ball is loose. Nakuha ni Abdul. Mosqueda is fouled. Pagsak si Levy. It's a tight pass to Valoria. And